Stop guessing your entries, because that is what most traders do and they lose money while trading. I'm about to show you 5 powerful methods you can use to start taking trading like a pro trader, so you don't have to lose money. You want to stay to the end of the video, because the last one is the one that most smart traders use and make more money. My name is Noel and I'll see you soon. Now listen up. Entry is everything in trading. A bad entry can turn a good idea into a losing trade. But once you master your entry, your accuracy improves instantly. So that is why you should be more focused on how you enter your trade. So let's just go straight into it. I'm going to start with the first one. Now, starting up with number 1, the first one is called the breakout entry. This is when price break any of these support or resistance, and it's good for entry too. Once price break above resistance, you enter a buy. Once price break below support, you enter a sell. But be careful though, not all breakouts are real. Some of them are fake and they are traps. So there are just few confirmations that you need to know before you can use it. And breakout entry is not that advisable though. But as we keep going on in this video, I'll show you guys more advisable ones you can use. Now the second one now is the pullback entry. Now this is way safer than the first one. This is the breakout entry. This one, it involves pullback and entry, but there are few confirmations and it's way better than the first one I mentioned. Now for you to understand this normally, anytime you see something like support and resistance, is where our entries are majorly picked from. So either it's going to be the breakout structure or the retest method. Any of this, you also have to focus more on the support and resistance. So that is it about the retest. So let us move on to the third one. Now the third one, which is getting more interesting now, is the trend line entry. Now the markets move in trend, and the trend line will help you identify which trend it is, and just for you to follow the trend will make you big amount of money. So I'm about to show you what the trend line looks like on the real chart and how you can use it. Now if you could look at this chart, there's something you should notice. Now there's something called up and down trend. Now obviously you can see this is an uptrend because this one is very obvious. But if you are not sure and you're confused, you can use something like trend line to identify it. So what you want to do now is to mark from the lowest point of it and mark towards the highest side of it like this. So once you mark it, you understand that now this is a downtrend. So now in this place, how do you use it to enter trade? That is the next question you should be asking yourself now. So according to what this trend line entry is, you want to see the market bouncing on top of the trend line for your confirmation. So now let us move on to the fourth point, is support and resistance. I've been shouting support and resistance. It's also another method of entry. Once you identify support and resistance, inside support and resistance, you want to identify another support and resistance. Okay, so this is what it means. I see something like this in the market, right? And price coming back to this point here. So if you can see it come down, it looks like double bottom. Yes, it looks like double bottom. You can see the first support like this, and also price retracing back to that same zone it left before shooting up. That's another entry you can use for your trades. Now let us move on to the last one, which makes more sense. The fifth one is liquidity grab. Liquidity grab is just basically like the fake out of trading. Normally, if you understand something, you will discover that market is manipulative. Yeah, so market can just go ahead and wipe people out before moving and going to your direction. A clear example is something like NFP. NFP is a major event that happens in the United States, and it makes the market volatile and move very fast. So at this point, you see many traders, it happens like 1:30 or 2:30 like that. It's going to happen, and it's going to happen so fast that many traders will take in that. Now, an example for you to take a trade is something like trading the fade of the NFP. So after the higher impact, like after like 5 or 10 minutes, you can now decide to take any trade, which majorly happens opposite direction. Let's say NFP in gold went to buy, then you want to be looking for sell. But what you want to do is you want to leave it after it has gone and touched a major support level or resistance. That is how you can trade fade out. That's one of the best ways you can trade fade out. If you want me to explain more about this breakout, drop it in the comment section. I will make another video for that one. So my name is Isaac and I'll see you guys in the next video.